Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing fine, and tonight or today I have another giveaway, and this time it is this DVR dash camera with its GPS module, and it is the famous 70 Mai or whatever they pronounce it dash camera, and it was a design award winner in 2019. It is not that old, it was just a design winner back then. And let me get, here is the packaging. Of course it comes with its packaging, and in here I have still the original mounting plate that wasn't used yet, because I used the one with the GPS for about 2 weeks for testing purposes in the car. And it does come, of course, with its stickers. I'm exactly not sure why these are in there, to give it enough room from around, or so it won't reflect from the glass or something. I don't know, I didn't mount it with that and it worked perfectly fine. And it comes with a USB charger with a double, so you can plug in the DVR itself and then your phone or whatever. And it has this small tool here to pry open your interior and hide the wire behind it. And the wire is still original also, because I use my own, and it does use micro USB, and it's fairly long, so you will route it around your windshield, and plug it into your cigarette lighter. On full hour. Anyway, this is my next giveaway. Sorry about the peeping. And this one actually will be drawn from my Patreons. So if you're supporting me via Patreon, you will be included in the drawing. And just in case I will get new Patreons, I will wait for 1 week. So I will announce next week the winner of this nice camera. I was gonna actually run it, but I don't have a SD card big enough, and the one 8 gig I have, you need minimum of 8 gigabyte micro SD card, and this one unfortunately is dead. No matter where I try to format it, it's just dead. I have so many SD cards die on me, it's not even funny. So anyway, the way it works, this one gets plugged on. I'm sorry, I'm out of camera. Gets plugged in like that. This is the GPS, so it will record your speed and date and time and whatnot automatically. And as you know, you mount it onto your windshield. So this is it. If you want to get a chance to win it, you can become a Patreon. Everybody that is my Patreon is included, obviously. And this is it. Also, if you like, this is the M5 paper that I reviewed, and right now I have it on picture viewer. It's actually off. You can see that it says here Camaro and dot off. So if I press and hold down on the switch up here, it will turn itself on and go into a picture viewer mode. So anyway, I'm still looking for a nice weather station code that runs on it without having to use Platformio IDE. I want to use Arduino IDE. And example programs I have, and I will again put in my link in the description. So if you want to have these programs, you can download it from there. And you know my clocks, this is my picture viewer. On this one I actually added, instead of the carbon fiber front, I added the acrylic, and I like it better like this. Can you believe it? So this is my picture viewer, and that I had on my car keys, on my keychain. I have actually the back of it still here, and but for now I have it on my desk. This is my dual matrix clock. It comes with different codes. I have this one, I have this one, and then I have a vertical one, and I have another one which has a different font. This one shows time and date. And I have it in 12-hour or 24-hour mode. And this is my retro clock. You might have seen it. It's on in my Tindy store, where you can purchase it if you like. And this is my OLED Decade with 4 games: Pac-Man, Flappy Bird, Breakout, and Octopus. And this is a new project. I will talk about that when it's due in time. And this is my not spectrum analyzer, oscilloscope. And actually, let me plug it in real quick while I'm at it. With my power bank. And here you can see it. You can choose between oscilloscope and frequency generator. And then you can adjust, I showed this before, you can push in and adjust the increments, 10 Hertz, 100, 1000, and then you go up, or you can go down. And if you push in after the 1000, it comes to percentage, and then you can adjust the percentage. And to get to the other mode, you just unplug it and then pick the oscilloscope, and then you have an oscilloscope, and here you have the inputs with the female pin header. And this is it, again with the nice acrylic case. And this one you can order via my Tindy store as well. And I think this is it. Yes, so if you want to win this DVR camera, Dashcam, you can become a Patreon if you like, and have a chance to win it. Anyway, I wish everybody a great weekend. It's Saturday, so enjoy your weekend and take care, everybody. Till the next time.